Switches and routers are the most important network devices in EasyDCIM. In order to view the list of switches and routers, access the Devices tab located in the left menu and choose Network. All the basic information on a given network device, including its location, as well as the assignment to a particular rack and client, can be found in the Summary section. As you can see, the summary view of a network device is very similar to a server summary view. However, there are some minor differences, especially related to widgets. The most important widget in the summary section is the one displaying the connections of all individual switch ports with their corresponding server ports or other network devices. It provides some general information, including port status, name, and number, and also allows you to remotely enable or disable the given port. The most common communication protocol for network devices is Snmp. It collects information about the network ports of a switch containing aggregate bandwidth usage and summary data on a given port. To set up the Snmp connection, please refer to our other video where we explain in detail how to set it up. After configuring the Snmp settings, you can move on to establishing a connection between the ports of the switch and the corresponding ports of other devices. The configuration of the connection between the ports of the switch and the server is the same as that of the server and has been fully described in our Connecting Server to Switch video. In the Ports section, you can also remotely control port states by performing off and on actions. But remember, if the action is to be executed correctly, the Snmp access account must have read-write permissions. Only then can you be sure that the port action will be physically executed. Another important section in the summary view of the network device is the Traffic section, which includes a summary of the bandwidth usage from the last day, as well as charts for multiple time periods. Naturally, you can freely configure these time intervals by setting the start and end dates. The VLANs section contains information about virtual local area networks which were detected during the pooling process. The data are detected automatically using the Snmp protocol. If such information is collected, each VLAN will be automatically assigned to a specific network port.